to Sarasota Discovered. I'm Sarah Elizabeth Light, and this is where we talk a little bit about real estate and all things Sarasota. If you want to get in contact with me, you can reach me at 941-402-3837. Shoot me an email to sarah@sarasotadiscovered.com or check out the website, SarasotaDiscovered.com. If this is something that you like, piques your interest, please like and subscribe. Alright guys, I'm so excited. We are going to go tour 4 model homes today. They are in the Aria community by Neal Signature Homes. This community is in the central of Venice. It's right below Sarasota. Awesome up and coming area. They're building a brand new hospital just minutes down the road, so it's going to be a hopping up and coming community. I say get in while you can. Out of 182 lots, they've already sold 45. They are going like hotcakes. So follow me, take a look at these models, and if you want any more information, shoot me an email, give me a call. Alright, so the first model we're going to go through is the Ravina. Now the Ravina is a 3-bedroom plus a den, but it does give you the option to turn that den into a 4th room. It has 3,004 square feet. It is a 3-car, 2.5 bath. So the second floor plan we're going to go through is the Postiano. Now the Postiano is a 3 to 4 bedroom also, 2,561 square feet. It's a 3-car, and then it also has a 2.5 or 3.5 bath depending on the options you choose. Now the third floor plan we're going to go through is the Cortina. The Cortina is a 3-bedroom, 2,455 square feet. It is a 2-car, and it is a 2 to 2.5 bath. Now the final floor plan we're going to go through today is Vicenzo. Now it is a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2,412 square feet, 3-car, 2 to 4.5 bath. The reason being is this floor plan gives you the option for a multi-generational home. In other words, the home has 2 front doors. So if you have college kids that don't want to move out, or in-laws that are getting of age and you don't want them to be in their own and you want to live under the same roof, it gives them their own little home within your home. Now the community does feature 24-hour gated access, and in the community center you have access to a 24/7 fitness center. You have a heated pool, heated spa, full-time lifestyle director, fire pit, and pickleball courts. Within the community building itself, you also have your amenities room where you can rent it out, as well as a kitchen and bar. I know the question everyone is asking is, what are the monthly fees? Well, the monthly fees are paid quarterly, but broken down monthly is about $306 to $391 depending on the lot that you choose. Alright guys, so what did you think? Comment below, let me know. If there's any floor plan that piques your interest and you would like to see it in person, let me know. 941-402-3837. Email me at sarah@SarasotaDiscovered.com. If you're not local, that's okay. We can do a FaceTime live call if you like, WhatsApp app, walk you through the home. And if you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, like and subscribe. I had a great day showing you guys these properties, and I'll talk to you soon.